This tutorial will cover the creation of a strap footing and, once analyzed, its calculation sheet and detailed drawing. Strap footing is a footing where two isolated footings are connected by a beam. This is primarily used to transfer moment and lateral force from one support position to another. Although the same can be achieved by a combined footing, this strap option can save a huge amount of concrete. So, naturally, strap footing is popular for projects where material savings is considered more important. Geometrically, two isolated footings of strap footing are in contact and supported on soil, but the beam is not in contact with the soil. I will open the isolated example file and proceed to create a strap foundation job using the existing service and ultimate load combinations. The strip footing creation wizard is similar to the one used for combined footings. To create a strip footing, select two supports as long as they are collinear. If you select a support that is not listed as a part of the strap footing job in job info, it will automatically be included once a strap footing has been attached to it. The next step is to specify the strap footing job local design parameters. Concrete and reinforcement requires basic input like minimum and maximum bar spacing, yield strength of steel, and minimum and maximum pedestal bar size. Minimum and maximum options are provided so the program can create the most efficient design and give control for user input. If set as default is set to yes, whenever a new job of the same type is created, its default concrete and reinforcement settings will be set to the ones currently specified. The set as default setting is used for all design parameters and some global settings as well. The cover and soil section provides input for some more basic design parameters relating to cover and soil. Here a surcharge load may be added, and the water table depth is used to calculate uplift forces if some of the foundation is above the water table. For safety and simplicity, the unit weight of water is used to calculate this uplift force for the volume of concrete above the water table. As the strap beams are designed to only connect two support positions, left and right footing geometry options are given for the footings on the left and the right of the strap beam. Left is defined in accordance with the coordinates of the geometry view as the smaller x or z coordinate value, depending on the direction of the strap beam, and right is the larger coordinate value. The user can choose to select identical footings to save time if both footings are desired to be identical. This is the section where beam geometry related inputs are required, such as beam depth, width, and increments. The overturning and safety factors and friction coefficient may also be inputted. Once the local design parameters are all set, click Design to design the strap foundation using the current local and global settings. If these settings are changed, the job must be redesigned to take into account the changes. Once designed, the calculation sheet, GA drawing, and detailed drawing become available. The calculation sheet shows how each footing was designed, including detailed steps, figures, and references to the code which was used for design. This section shows the punching shear check required for design. As you can see, the calculation sheet goes through each step in detail. This section shows the beam-related design. Other than this section, the calculation sheet is very similar to the calculation sheet for isolated foundation jobs. The detailed drawing gives plan, elevation, and section views for individual footings. This drawing shows support and footing dimensions and any reinforcement. If there are pedestals or anchor bolts, their drawings are shown. Thank you for watching this tutorial.